So finally the wait is over and today the One UI 8.5 update should be released for the Galaxy S25 series. Today in this video I will tell you that how you guys can update it and avoid any possible issues with the update. So Turnwards and many others confirmed on X that the One UI 8.5 update should be released today on May 11th for the Galaxy S25 series. Keep in mind that it is already released for the South Korea and today it will be released for the global market. Now to update it, simply go into the settings of your device, then scroll all the way down and tap on software update, then tap on download and install. From here, you will get to see the new One UI 8.5 update available. The last update should be of April 2026 and now you will get to see the latest update as well. While there is no issue of the green line with the S25 series, but you can avoid the risk by taking some precautions like keeping the temperature low of your device during the installation or the download process. Mostly during this installation process, your phone's temperature will rise and due to that the green line issue might occur. By the way, there are a lot of new features and changes in the UI coming up with the One UI 8.5 update. I have been using this One UI 8.5 stable version on my Galaxy S26 Ultra and there are no issues at all as for now. There are multiple UI changes in different apps. You will get to see some pill-like menu bar in multiple apps this time around. This looks a bit inspired from iOS, but it is really looking good on Samsung as well. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was a quick video to inform you about this new update that is coming up on your devices after a long wait, which is the One UI 8.5 update. So keep an eye on this download and install and do let us know in the comment section that when you receive it on your device. By the way, if you're concerned about the Android version, so the Android version stays the same, which is the Android 16.